Hello and welcome to another lesson with me. We are going to solve a new equation. So let's take a look. Okay, just for a minute. So this is our equation. Let's take a look. This is A3 plus A2 minus A minus 1 equals 0. As you see, if this equation equals 0, then which one of the following could be the value of A? So we are going to do this. Look at this part, please. We could get a factor of A2, okay? And this is A plus of 1 minus A minus 1 equals 0. And we can make it more simple or much simple. So look at this. This is A2, A plus 1. And I'm going to take a factor from here. This is A plus 1 equals 0. And from this part, again, you can get another factor. A plus 1, if I get a factor from this is A2 minus 1 is equal 0. So right now, we have two different options, as you see. Maybe A plus 1 is equal 0. And as you see, A can be minus 1. But this is not true because we don't have it in our answers here. This is minus 1. Unfortunately, we don't have it here, nothing. And the other one is A2 minus 1 is equal 0. So this is A2 equal 1. And as you see, A can be positive and negative. 1, only positive 1 is the answer. So the right answer is B. Thank you so much for watching me.